I know most of you follows videos from Ghana. You are so passionate about knowing things that are happening here in Ghana. And as part of my video, I do developments in Ghana. All right. So before I continue what I want to say or I want to share with you, let me remind you guys about this. You quite remember when the current president of Ghana was elected as president-elect for Ghana. On the day he was sworn into office, he made a promise that within 100 days, he's going to make Accra look beautiful and the cleanest city in West Africa, or I think Africa or whatever. He made something like that. I stand to be corrected if I'm not quoting him right. All right, so fast forward 4 years, we are into 5 years now. So we have this regional minister who is trying to make Accra the most cleanest city in the world, okay?
So this is the issue. The Operation Clean Your Frontage is for all of us. It is not any political thing. It is not for NBC, it's not for NP.
I know some of you are doubting that, can this be possible? Yes, someone commented under my video that, do I think that this Ghana agenda thing, one day we'll get there? Yes, let's have hope. We'll definitely get there. If other countries were able to make it, we don't know the story behind how they started, but today they are there. We can also make it. We need to change our mindsets, our attitude, and the way we think towards things. And we should make sure that we will always do things and build things and make a difference in the world. All right. So we have this regional minister who happens to be also a Ga. Okay, so the Ga people are from Greater Accra. Okay, that is where they are located. You know, we have 16 regions in Ghana. So this regional minister has taken upon himself to do a good work. So he's trying to rebuild Accra. And because we have a lot of visitors coming to Accra, people have built stores on the roadside, pavements, people sell on pavement and all those kind of things. So it's like there's a lot of pressure even on the road, okay? So he's trying to demolish illegal structures that have been put by the roadsides, okay? So he has come out with an agenda that he call let's make Accra work again. So he's doing an amazing job. He's doing an amazing job just to keep Accra one of the beautiful cities in the world. So recently he embarked on his project that he called Operation Clean Your Frontage.
So this is the issue. The Operation Clean Your Frontage is for all of us. It is not any political thing. It is not for NBC, it's not for NP.
With support from the Advertising Association of Ghana.
It was initiated just to help people who sell, people who have stores that are close to roadside to be able to keep their front neat and nice. So if they come and where you are is illegal, they will just kick you off. So this is what happened. But the side story of this project is that the citizen got angry. They got upset that their structures are being demolished. Anyway, this is my take. Whatever that happens, okay, every development that happens, there is a good side of it and a bad side. Some will enjoy, some it will affect because of the good thing. But the fact that it will help the nation at large, we all need to support. So I'm here to share with you the video and the things that happened and how some of the citizens were able to fight the Home Minister.
We live in a beautiful city, filled with wonderful people from the various regions of our country. Ghana, for centuries, we've been connected by history, tradition, and our sense of purpose to move forward. Welcoming, we've always been, as Accra continues.
Ghanaians almost suffer my now so we're building. Being an assemblyman on this area and also a chairman of the works, I am not aware of it. And to traders we should do the right thing. I am not here to resist of making Accra work, but I am here to resist on doing the wrong thing. Because
like we saw your people throw stones and break the.
No, I've not seen that one.
No, so look at it.
But why would you come and demolish a building? Why can you come and demolish a building?
Are you saying you are not informed? You're not.
I'm not informed.
But
not in this nature. Yes, we know Accra will work again, but it will take in a due process. And let me say, so how do you want to do it? You want to know yourself.
It's a beautiful thing, but it's so sad that some of the citizens are not embracing this. And especially there are people who have traveled from different regions and they are hustling in Accra trying to make ends meet. And one thing that really saddens my heart was that someone told a store to break the windscreen of the excavator or the tractor or whatever, and it was so bad. Although there were policemen around that were assisting, but yet still, tension was so high that it took so much effort and time to calm things down. And after this video, I have another video that I'll show to you to see how beautiful now the place is and how neat. For the first time, let me say Accra or some part of Accra has been that neat, and you never go to that place and see how, like, see, previously you go there and things are in chaos, like dirty, a whole lot of, but this time it's a different story. So in the next video, I'll share that with you. Okay, let's go watch the video and let me know what you think about this video.
Yeah.